Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make my weeknight carne asada tacos. I've taken my super popular recipe for carne asada and turned it into a weeknight meal that's ready in about 35 minutes. For the marinade, you'll need a quarter cup of orange juice, about 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. We'll give this a quick whisk to combine. Now, in my regular carne asada recipe, we marinate this, but it's a weeknight meal. So we're actually just gonna brush this marinade over our meat. You'll need 1.5 pounds of either skirt steak or flank steak, and if you notice, you can see all these lines running through. This is called the grain. It's important to know that because when it comes to slicing, you want to slice against the grain. Otherwise, you'll end up with very chewy meat. I'm just gonna brush on some initial marinade to start, and then we're gonna cook this on a grill. If you've got one, you'll preheat it to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so super hot. Or if you don't have a grill or just don't wanna go outside, you can cook it on a skillet on the stove. Same way, just get it super hot and use cast iron if you've got it. And then just toss it on the grill. Keep brushing the marinade over the meat to coat as it cooks. It takes about 7 to 10 minutes per side. Just make sure you cook off whatever marinade you add on so there's no cross-contamination. We're gonna pull this off and then remember that grain because we're gonna slice against. And you can do slices or you can chop it up into little pieces. Either way, you are in for one delicious taco. Chop up some cilantro, dice some red onions, grab some pico, warm some tortillas, and then you will have one delicious taco that's ready in about 35 minutes, perfect for any night of the week. Oh. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.